Do you know that in one island in Tahiti, they don't have the word work?
Yeah, I can imagine that.
Yeah, there's no word, so they cannot work. They can do stuff. They could build a hut. They can go fishing, They can, I don't know, tote that bale and whatever. They can do stuff, but they can't work. So maybe you should go to Tahiti. There's no work, just do shit, I think, in part, of course, you have a relationship to work, and it's imposed, like, obviously, you're saying, I have to do this, it's a burden,
Yeah.
I have to do it. You're making me do it. Somebody's making you do it. A boss or whatever, so, some relationships, making me do it. Well, one thing you could grasp right away is nobody's making you do anything. Say, not even the boss. I mean, if you had a boss, right? It's like, do you have a boss?
No,
Except your wife.
But for me, it's the clients. The clients make me do
Clients,
it.
right. Okay, yeah, damn clients.
But boss or teacher, it doesn't matter. Or clients, it's all the same.
Yeah, yeah. See, now, I mean, just take a look. I'm sure you've noticed these things, but without clients, you don't have a business, okay? So you should cherish your clients, right? And like, this is what they're asking for. This is your job, right? See, like, so I would imagine you want to do it. But if you start with, you could not. You could just say to the clients, no, no more, go away. Right, you could, you could say to your boss, no, I quit. You could, see? Or the boss says, take the trash out. You say, no. I'm an executive, I don't take the trash out. No, they might fire you, but then again, you say, okay, yeah, right, I guess that's asking a bit much, or something, right? But you could always say no. So once you get you get that, right? You get, okay, wait a minute, I want to do it. Now, the relationship, remember, between intent and desire. Say, and like I have that an example. You run into the outhouse because the guard dogs are chasing you. Because I don't know why you jumped over the fence, for Christ's sake. Into the mansion place. Maybe you wanted to pick a flower or something. It's a garden. But anyway, so the guard dogs are chasing you, so you run into the outhouse. Now, if it's a mansion, I don't know why they have an outhouse, but, okay, they have an outhouse. And you run into the outhouse. And it's an old-fashioned mansion, okay? It's a very old one. And you say, man, I don't want to be in here. This is terrible. I don't like being in here, right? They said, well, then go outside. No, there's the dogs out there. It's no, they'll bite me. Oh, then you want to be in there. Well, no, I don't want to. Well, then go outside, you see? And you put, okay, yeah, I want to be in here. Okay, I want to be. It smells a bit, okay, but I don't want to get my ass bit off, okay, by these Rottweilers and a couple pit bulls. Nasty. And they're bred to be mean. These particular ones. I mean, not all Rottweilers or pit bulls have to be mean, it could be nice if they're raised well. But these weren't. These were mean. Say, I want to be in there. Okay, see, so now that you change your disposition already. I want to be in here. Would you prefer to be in Tahiti? Yeah, but that's not an option. Okay? Unless you get out and then go to Tahiti. So you're still going to have to get out and go to Tahiti. See? So you're saying, you're at work, you're doing something, you say, oh God, I want to be out surfing. I'd much rather be, I hate being here and working, I want to be out surfing, if you live in California or something. And so you're miserable, right? You're miserable. I'm not surfing. Oh, it's so hard. I have to be here working. Well, then go out fucking surf. Well, no, I'll get fired. Then shut the fuck up. Okay? See, you're making a choice. You're saying, I want to work. That's what you're saying. thing. Oh, you want to go surfing? Well, no. Then I'll be fired and well, okay, so what? Well, then I won't make a living and I'll lose my condo and my girlfriend will leave me, and, because she only loves me for my money. Or whatever, you know what I'm saying? And he said, oh, okay, so you mean you actually want to work? Well, yeah, guess so. It sounds very convincing. I'm doing them, you see. But the moment you get, oh yeah, I want to work. Okay, I'm choosing to work. I'm not choosing to go surfing. Great, I can set that aside. I don't have to torture myself anymore about images of surfing. I'll go surfing on the weekend. I just hope the waves are up. You see how it works? I want to work.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.